Mwaka wa 2020 ni mwaka ugutura tunuini na meciria-ini ma andu aingi guku bururi-ini na thi yothe handu ya ruma, na ni thutha wa andu aingi gukorwo matungite hathara nene na ya mithemba itiganite ihinda-ini ria mieri 5 tu.
I lost my job during this period of pandemic, and I've been going through a lot. My family have been going through a lot. My wife has been going through stress. In fact, some days before she went, and she was almost going mad.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni gikundi kia Young Women Initiative County-ini ya Naikuru, makiria ma gicunje kia 60% kia arume gikoretwo gikirwa na thina wa meciria uria umanite na kwaga kwa mawira na mbeca cia guthaitira mabata ma family ciao.
There has been an increase also of gender-based violence, especially the intimate partner violence. School was a safe space for them, but now when you're coming home, you're living with relatives or just living with your own parents, but because they have their own issues, the gender-based violence goes up to them.
Na kurumirira uthuthuria ucio gikundi giki kia Yawi ni kiambikite mihango ya gutara aria maihuragia ithenya ria kunyitirira micii yao. Murugamiriri wa gikundi giki akiuga motaro macio ni meguthie haraya hari kunyihia ciiko cia kwiruta muoyo iria ciongererekete na gikira kinene.
We realized that we need to reach out to them, and we were able to identify the most vulnerable, and at least we have about a list of 300 women who need this kind of support.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuga kampeini nyingi iria iratabanio ihinda-ini riri ciothe cierekeirio kuhurana na ngahiha cia kimucii, ihiko cia tene, undu umwe na ciana kuoha nda, no itirakuruhania thina wa meciria uria ugumiire andu aingi makiria.
There is a lot of stress within the families, and especially where we have married couples, and so it has been a very big challenge. Like now one has to maybe to remain at home, or both of them are at home, and there is no income.
Aria megwikinyiti igongona-ini riri makigathiriria tabarira iyo na njira nene iria maugite ni makuhota guteithia family ciao na uho gwithema na thina wa meciria.
It seems like the whole world is on you. You don't know where to go to. I want to thank this organization. They have come up with this idea.
Ndio mama wazee wanateswa, wanapitia hali ngumu, lakini nashukuru maana nimepata vile naweza kaa na yeye.
Tumefundishwa kuhusu hii corona, tumeambiwa tukubali iko na tujue venye tujichunge kukaa nayo.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jetagwo Muringi wa Gure.